Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 9, addition and subtraction on up to 100 from the book Maths 1. We have addition first, add 2-digit and 1-digit number. Okay? When we put things together, we do addition. जब हम चीज़ों को साथ में रखते हैं, put together, तो हम क्या कर रहे होते हैं? Addition कर रहे होते हैं. Priya has 35 bangles. Her mother gave her 3 more bangles. Now Priya has 35 plus 3 bangles. Priya के पास 35 bangles थे. Priya की mother ने उसे 3 more bangles दिए. तो अब Priya के पास 35 plus 3 bangles हो गए, right? To get total number of bangles, we have to add 35 and 3. तो total number of bangles निकालने के लिए हमें 35 और 3 को add करना पड़ेगा, right? Then step 1, add the ones. Now here you can see we have 35, 5 at ones place, 3 at tens place. Then we have 3 at ones place. Now we have to add the ones, which is 5 and 3, right? So if we add 5 and 3, we'll get 8, right? So 5 ones plus 3 ones equals to 8 ones. Got it? Then write 8 in the ones column. Then we have written, right? Then step 2, add the tens. फिर tens को add करना है. We have 3 tens plus 0 10 here, right? So that's why we have 3 tens, right? Then write 3 in the tens column. इधर हमने लिख दिया. Now Priya has 38 bangles. Priya के पास 38 bangles है. Okay? Add 2 digit numbers. Example, Ashu has 37 grapes and Vansh has 21 grapes. How many grapes do they have all together? तो आशु के पास 37 grapes है, वंश के पास 21 grapes है. दोनों को मिलाकर दोनों के पास कितने grapes है? Okay. Solution. Step 1, arrange the numbers in the columns correctly. सबसे पहले अरेंज करना है नंबर्स को कॉलम्स में करेक्टली. ओके. देन स्टेप 2, ऐड द वंस. वंस को ऐड करना है. सो हियर इज 7 वंस एंड 1 वन. आंसर इज 8 वंस, राइट? लाइक दिस वी हैव अरेंज्ड हियर इन द वर्टिकल कॉलम, राइट? सो वी हैव राइट 8 इन द वंस कॉलम. वी हैव रिटन ऑलरेडी. देन स्टेप 3, ऐड द टेंस. टेंस को ऐड करना है. 3 tens plus 2 tens equals to 5 tens, right? Now write 5 in the tens column. We have written here there are 58 grapes in all. तो 58 grapes है दोनों के मिलाकर. Okay? Exercise 9A. A, add the following. Okay? We have A part 45 plus 2. So there is already arranged in the vertical columns, right? So we have to add them only. Okay. 5 and 2, 7. Then 4 remains the same. The answer is 47. Then B, 46 plus 2. Now 6 and 2 makes 8. 4 remains the same. The answer is 48. Then C, 93 plus 4, 3 and 4 makes 7, 9 remains the same. The answer is 97. Then D, 90 plus 8, 0 and 8 makes 8 and 9 remains the same, 98 is the answer. Then E, 33 plus 5, 3 and 5 makes 8 once, right? And 3 remains the same, 38. Then F, 55 plus 4, 5 and 4 makes 9. 5 remains the same. 59 is the answer. Then G, 63 plus 5, 3 and 5 makes 8. 6 remains the same. Answer is 68. Then H, 71 plus 6. We have 1 and 6 makes 7. 7 remains the same. Answer is 77. Then B, add the following. A, we have 42 plus 22. Now 2 and 2 makes 4. 4 and 2 makes 6. Answer is 64. Then 65 plus 24. 5 and 4, 9. 6 and 2, 8. Answer is 89. We have C, 71 plus 14. 1 and 4 makes 5. 7 and 1 makes 8. Answer is 85. Then D, 54 plus 15. 4 and 5 makes 9. 5 and 1 makes 6. The answer is 69. Then E, 32 plus 41. 2 and 1 makes 3. 3 and 4 makes 7. Answer is 73. Then F, 35 plus 30. 5 and 3 makes 8. 3 and 1 makes 4. Answer is 48. Then G, 52 plus 26. 2 and 6 makes 8. 5 and 2 makes 7. The answer is 78. H, 62 plus 16. 2 and 6 makes 8. 6 and 1 makes 7. Answer is 78. Then we have problem solving. See, read and solve. One has been done for you. A, there are 12 boys and 17 girls in the park. How many children are there in all? तो 12 boys है, 17 girls है park में. Total बताना है कितने children है. So here we need to plus or add, we can say, right? So 12 plus 17 equals to 29 children in all. How we calculated this? Now 12 plus 17. If we add 2 to 7, we'll get 9 ones, right? And if we add 1 tens and 1 tens, we'll get 2 tens. So the answer whole is 29. Okay? Then we have to do this part. B, Shivani has 32 chocolates. Her father gave 16 more chocolates. Now how many chocolates Shivani have now? शिवानी के पास 32 चॉकलेट्स थी. ओके, उसके फादर ने 16 और चॉकलेट्स दी. हमें बताना है शिवानी के पास कितनी चॉकलेट्स हैं अब. नाउ अगेन वी हैव टू ऐड देम 32 plus 16, right? So we have given 32 plus 16 equals to dash chocolates. We have to calculate. Here we need to calculate 32 plus 16. If we add 2 ones to 6 ones, we'll get 8 ones, right? Then 3 tens and 1 tens makes 4 tens, right? The answer is 48. Here we'll write answer is 48 chocolates, okay? Then see, the balloon seller has 43 balloons in one hand and 14 balloons in the other. How many balloons does he have all together? Balloon seller के पास 43 balloons है एक hand में, 14 balloons है other hand में. तो हमें बताना है दोनों hands में मिलाकर कितने balloons है. So here we need to add 43 and 14, right? So I'll write here 43 plus is already written, then 14. Now we have to calculate dash balloons, okay? Here is already given 43 plus 14. If we add 3 to 4, we'll get 7 ones, right? Then if we add 4 to 1, we'll get 5 tens, right? The answer is 57. 57 balloons, okay? Then subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. When we subtract a smaller number from a bigger number, the answer we get is called difference. तो subtraction का means होता है taking away, कुछ चीज ले लेना, okay? और subtract जो होता है जब हम smaller number को एक bigger number से subtract करते हैं तो जो answer आता है उसे हम difference कहते हैं, okay? Then take away a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. Radhika had 42 apples. She ate 2 apples. 2 apples eat कर लिए. How many apples does she have now? अब कितने एप्पल्स बचे राधिका के पास? To know about the exact number of apples, we have to subtract 2 apples from 42 apples. तो exact number of apples निकालने के लिए हमें 42 में से 2 को subtract करना पड़ेगा, right? Step 1, subtract the ones. We have 2 ones minus 2 ones equals to 0 ones. Here you can see 42 minus 2. So we have 2 ones, 2 ones. That's why we have got 0 ones, right? Write 0 in the ones column. We have written here. Okay. Then we have step 2. Subtract the tens. Okay. Now 4 tens minus 0 10 equals to 4 tens. Okay. Write 4 in the tens column. Here you can see we have written 4 tens in the tens column. Now Radhika has 40 apples now. Radhika के पास अभी 40 apples है. Okay. Then take away a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. Example, subtract 23 from 45. Okay. Solution step 1, subtract the ones. सबसे पहले ones को subtract करेंगे. We have ones. 5 ones minus 3 ones will get 2 ones. Here you can see we have 45 minus 23. So 5 at ones, also 3 at ones, right? So if we subtract 3 from 5, we'll get 2, right? Then write 2 in the ones column. We have written already. Step 2, subtract the tens. अब tens को subtract करेंगे. 4 tens minus 2 tens equals to 2 tens. Here you can see we are subtracting this from this. So we'll get 2, right? Write 2 in the tens column. We have written already. The whole answer is 22. Okay. Then exercise 9b. A, subtract the following. A, 59 minus 7. So if we subtract 7 from 9, we'll get 2. 5 remains the same. The answer is 52. Then B, 87 minus 2. If we subtract 2 from 7, we'll get 5. And 8 remains the same. Answer is 85. Then C, 48 minus 6. If we subtract 6 from 8, we'll get 2. And 4 remains the same. Answer is 42. Then D, 65 minus 4. If we subtract 4 from 5, we'll get 1. 6 remains the same. 61 is the answer. Then E, 95 minus 4. If we subtract 4 from 5, we'll get 1. And 9 remains the same. Answer is 91. Then F, 77 minus 3. If we subtract 3 from 7, we'll get 4. 7 remains the same. The answer is 74. Then we have G, 64 minus 4. So we have to subtract 4 from 4. The answer will be 0. And here we have 6. 6 remains the same. Answer is 60. Okay. Then we have H, 99 minus 6. Now if we subtract 6 from 9, we'll get 3. 9 remains the same. Answer is 93. Now B, subtract the following. A, 69 minus 29. If we subtract 9 from 9, we'll get 0. And then 2 from 6, the answer will be 4. Answer is 40. Then B, 98 minus 45. 5 from 8, the answer is 3. Then if we subtract 4 from 9, we'll get 5. The whole answer will be 53. Okay. Then C, 54 minus 14. If we subtract 4 from 4, we'll get 0. And if we subtract 1 from 5, we'll get 4. The answer is 40. Then D, 89 minus 17. If we subtract 7 from 9, we'll get 2. And if we subtract 1 from 8, we'll get 7. The answer is 72. Then E, 46 minus 35. If we subtract 5 from 6, we'll get 1. And if we subtract 3 from 4, we'll get 1 again. The answer is 11. Then F, 78 minus 58. If we subtract 8 from 8, we'll get 0. And if we subtract 5 from 7, we'll get 2. The answer is 20 here. Then G, 57 minus 21. If we subtract 1 from 7, we'll get 6. And if we subtract 2 from 5, we'll get 3. Answer is 36. Then H, 99 minus 78. If we subtract 8 from 9, we'll get 1. And if we subtract 7 from 9, we'll get 2. The answer is 21. Then C, solve the following. One has been done for you. A, there are 27 children in class 1A, 5 are absent. How many are present? तो 27 चिल्ड्रन है क्लास 1A में और 5 जो है एब्सेंट है. हमें बताना है कितने प्रेजेंट है. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट, राइट? सो 27 minus 5 equals to 22 are present. Now how do we calculate this? 27 minus 5 we got. If we subtract 5 from 7, we'll get 2. 2 remains the same. The answer will be 22. Okay? Then B. The teacher had 65 sheets of paper. 42 were used for drawing. How many sheets are left? टीचर के पास 65 शीट्स थी पेपर की, 42 ड्राइंग के लिए यूज हो गई. हमें बताना है कितनी शीट्स लेफ्ट हो गई, बच गई. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट अगेन. 65 minus 42 equals to dash sheets left. Now we have to calculate. Now 65 minus 42, if we subtract 2 from 5, we'll get 3. And if we subtract 4 from 6, we'll get 2. The answer is 23. Means 23 sheets are left. Okay? Then C. There are 98 children, 46 are girls. How many are boys? 98 children है, 46 girls है उनमें से. हमें बताना boys कितने हैं. So again we have to subtract 98 minus 46. Which is equal to dash are boys. जितने भी boys है. Okay. So here we'll subtract. Okay. Now 98 minus 46. We'll write minus here and we'll do subtraction. If we subtract 6 from 8, we'll get 2. And if we subtract 4 from 9, we'll get 5. The answer is 52 boys. Okay? Then D. There are 87 desks and chairs. 34 are desks. How many are chairs? टोटल मिलाकर डेस्क और चेयर 87 है. उनमें से जो 34 है वो डेस्क है. हमें बताना है चेयर्स कितनी है. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 87 माइनस 34, which is equal to, we have to find the answer are chairs. Okay? We'll do the subtraction here. Now if we subtract 4 from 7, we'll get 3. And if we subtract 3 from 8, we'll get 5. The answer is 53. So we can say that 53 are chairs. Then we have objective skill, multiple choice questions, MCQs. Take the correct option. A, 48 plus 21 equals to dash. Okay? We have to add. We have options. First 59, second 69, then third 79. The answer is 69. Then B, 69 minus 28 equals to dash. We have options. First 41, second 51, third 31. The answer is 41. Then C, biggest number is dash. We have options. First 49, second 69, third 59. The answer is 69. Then D, smallest number is dash. Again we have options. First 19, second 39, third 29. The answer is 19. Then we have problem solving, mental math. A, fill in the blanks. Okay. Now part A, dash plus 63 equals to 78. So if we need to find this number, we have to subtract both of the numbers, 78 minus 63. So we'll get 15. Okay. Then we have B, 96 minus 57. The answer is 39. Then C, 82 minus dash equals to 46. Now here we need to subtract both of these numbers to find this. Now 82 minus 46 will get 6 at the ones place and 3 at tens place. The whole answer is 36. Okay. Then D, 91 plus 8 equals to dash. The answer is 99. Then we have E, 72 plus 6 equals to dash. The answer is 78. Then F, 88 minus 8 equals to dash. Answer is 80. Then G, 95 minus 4 equals to, answer is 91. Then H, 55 plus 4 equals to, answer is 59. Then the critical thinking, B, fill in the blanks. First, 1 more than 66 is dash. The answer is, if we are talking about more than, it means we need to plus or add. So the answer is 67. Then we have second, 86 is dash, then 96. Answer is smaller than. Then third, dash is 1 more than 72. 73. Okay. Then we have fourth, 88 is 1 less than dash. So we have to subtract here. 88 minus 1, the answer is 87. Then we have creative skill activity zone. Aim to reinforce the concept of addition. तो एडिशन का कॉन्सेप्ट सीखने के लिए हम ये एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं. मटीरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड, white sheet of paper, bindi packets. Okay, then procedure is given. Give each child a white sheet of paper and a packet of bindis. तो हर एक बच्चे को एक white sheet of paper देना है और बिंदी का पैकेट देना है. Okay, then give different addition sums. 3 plus 4, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 6 and so on. फिर different addition sum देने हैं. यहाँ पर कुछ examples लिखे हैं. Okay. Ask each child to stick as many bindis as the numbers in the addition sum given to him/her on the white sheet of paper. तो फिर उसके बाद जो भी हमने एडिशन के लिए सम दिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें बिंदी स्टिक करनी है उस व्हाइट शीट ऑफ पेपर पे. ओके, ask them to perform the addition and find how many bindis are there in all. फिर एडिशन परफॉर्म करना है. ओके, और फाइंड आउट करना है कि कितनी बिंदीज हैं उस व्हाइट शीट ऑफ पेपर पर. ओके, we have given the picture as well. For example, 4 plus 2, so we have stick 4 bindis here, and for 2 we have stick 2 bindis here. Then we are adding it. The answer is 6, so we have stick the 6 bindis here. Okay, so like this you can perform this activity with your classmates. Okay, so I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.